going down, YouTube? It's your man Reggie with another Cap City Land video, and I'm coming at you from local park of mine. And here we got my 73 Chevy Monte Carlo Landau. And I know you're saying, like, Landau, ain't it supposed to have the partial top? Yes, it does not have the partial top. However, it does have this beautiful bed liner on it. Let me shut this thing off real quick. But yeah, 73 Chevy Monte Carlo Landau without the Landau top. I got a really good deal on this car, and that is the reason why I purchased it. Even though I have a bunch of projects in the pipeline, I think I'm gonna move this one up and expedite this. I don't know if I'm going to sell it or if I'm going to make it an official channel car. Right now I don't have an official channel car. You know, I have the 01 Excursion. That's basically going to be my daily driver after I'm done with it. And I have my Camaro and also the Corvette, the 77 Corvette. And right now I haven't picked if I wanted to make either one of those my channel car, but I think this one, I think we got one here. I think we got a winner. And it's an unconventional channel car. You know, a lot of guys got the new cars, the Hellcats, the Mustangs, and the you know, your whatever, your Lamborghinis and your Porsches. But I got this baby here, 73 Monte Carlo. And this is one of my favorite years of the Monte Carlo. And why is it my favorite year? First of all, the tail lights in the back, it's a unique style. I think this is the only year that has these vertical tail lights with the horizontal chrome stripes in them. The back window, I always love this back window, how it comes to like a little point in the back window. The top, well, we're gonna deal without the top. We're gonna deal with that later. But you know, it has a classic racing look. It's got the rally wheels on it with the Cooper Cobra GTs wrapped around them, white leather tires. I love that look. And also, one of my favorite parts of this car is the big bug eyes and the egg crate grill. My shield kind of crooked, but the egg crate grill and the big bug eyes is one of my favorites out of the Monte Carlos. This body style, or well, the front end at least, they kept this up until 1975 and 76. They changed it and put the more square look on it. But you know, it's a classic look car. I love these big long Monte Carlos. Monte Carlo has always been one of my favorite cars. This is not actually my top favorite Monte Carlo. My top favorite is my birth year Monte Carlo. I want y'all put something in the comments. If y'all can guess what my favorite Monte Carlo is, put that in the comments. But this is my second favorite, I should say, correct myself. But it's a work in progress. That's why I want to make it the official channel car, because of the work that I got to put into it. You can see it was, you know, some custom stuff done. This console, I'm not a big fan of it. I actually want to make this as original as possible, as close to it as I can. But it's had this little ugly console in it. I'm gonna take that out. That was on top of the seat. It's like an armrest and had a TV in it. But I want to keep it original. It's got the Monte Carlo steering wheels with the wood grain in the middle. And you know, it's got some flaws to it. Cracked 1970s GM dash, as you can see. Oh yeah, body by Fisher, don't forget that. And you know, bench seat doesn't have the swivels in it, but I don't care. I like either one, it doesn't matter. It's an old cruiser, so I don't care about the seats. At the back cloth, I think I'm gonna change this over to vinyl, because I don't want to deal with the cloth. I'm just being honest. I don't really like cloth seats, but they did some custom speakers in the back, some 6x9s. We may have to keep those. Let's go over to the front. You know, it's got a couple dings here and there. See, it looked like they dropped it on a jack or something. But other than that, it's a pretty solid car. Frame's clean, trunk is clean. We'll get around to that too. But pop the hood up. It's a 350 2-barrel. I think it's a 4-speed tranny in it. But 2-barrel 350 actually runs good. If you looked at my startup, my cold start, it was kind of rough. It was idling a little bit rough, and I couldn't get it to rev. But that's because it's been sitting for a while. But other than that, it's you know, it runs really good. It even smoked the tires a little bit. But I got some upgrades I'm gonna do to the motor. You know, I'm gonna clean it up first. It's you know, filthy up under here. Clean it up. Actually get that back to, you know, try to get it as close as original. And you can see it did have a speaker, speakers in it, some music. But you know, we gonna get it together. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or if we're gonna officially sell it. But you know, oh yeah, one of my favorite features. Got the gas tank under the hideaway gas tank, gas cap. I mean, then if you look at the trunk, the trunk is pretty, you know, pretty decent. Does have some rust flakes, but I'm actually sanding that down, and I'm gonna give you a video progress step by step of what I'm doing to this. But you know, sand this down. I got the paints. I got the primer. I got the speckle. Where's my speckle at? Where's my speckle? Got my speckle, paint, and everything. So we're gonna get it together, get all this amp material out of here, and you know, get this thing, you know, get it up to at least cruising condition. So all right, but I'm gonna end this video out right now. I ain't gonna make it too long. So next video, I'm gonna give you some progress of just basically I'm gonna just clean it up and kind of show you a couple little, do a couple small little tightening up things to it. But you know, we're gonna try to take this on the long haul as far as restoring it, getting it together. So I want you guys to be with that journey step by step. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe this video. And also check out my other videos. Check out the Project X video, check out the Camaro SS video, and also check out the SSR video. You know, I got plenty more videos to come on this baby, but make sure you share. Don't forget, hit that like button, share, subscribe to the channel, and I'm out. Peace.